Hey guys, what's up? This is Dennis here and Arthur. Today we're gonna show you the video. We just bought a bar light and installing on the top of the roof of X5, and just want to show you how it looks like, how we mount it, and we're gonna test it out at night. And also I got a new Galaxy S9 Plus phone, and the reason I got this phone, all the people talking about the camera, so all the outside footage, then we're gonna record with that phone, and we'll see how it's gonna look like. I think it's not bad. What do you think? Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how I mount the light bar. As you can see, we have here ski rock. As you can see right here, I cut this plastic and pretty much bracket, and the bolt is behind that plastic right here. And by the way, I have custom ski, BMW ski. If anybody wants it, you can do it by yourself. Just paint it black and put some stickers. It's actually just for the look. And you close. Here we go. So, and this is how I did the wiring here. On the other side of the light, on the passenger side, here's the wire. So pretty much I hide it right behind the rubber seal. It's go all the way down over there, and wires go behind on the side of the firewall. You can see it here. As you can see, this is very thin wires, and we have positive cable here, so we connect it here. And the switch I have inside. So this is the switch I have here. I know it's not a best place for that switch. This will be way better if it's gonna be somewhere here on a dashboard or somewhere here on the console. Hey guys, it's so dark. I can't see anything. Is anybody there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Why I don't see anything?
Well, you didn't turn on your lights on top of the...
Oh, that's right. Alright guys, so this is the time that we're gonna test out our light bar. Boom! And this is only our stock headlights. Okay, let's go. This is our stock headlights on the car. And now we're gonna turn on our bar light. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. Can you see the bear? No. Okay, let's go. Man, that's to make a big difference. I think this light is a perfect light for off-roading. What do you think? Look at that.
Not bad.
With bar light off, bar light on, bar light off. Look how you can see all the grass on the side, all the trees. My goodness. Let's check it out how it looks like from outside. So now we have just our headlights on. Go ahead around the bar light. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, that's something. Hold on, let me show you from the outside here. Turn it off. Look, we're outside looking forward. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. One more time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, comment for a like. Good luck.